Welcome grade 2 in your computer class. Today in computer we are going to start our lesson 4.3. The name of our lesson is a start event. And in this lesson we are going to learn to choose an event that starts the program. So what is an event basically? It is a block that we are going to use to start the program. Okay, what is an event? A block through which we can start a program. So let's study about it. An event means anything that happens in Scratch. Events are things the user does. The user is the person who uses the program. Okay, so in these two lines, what we have learned about an event and we have learned about the user. What is an event, boys? An event means anything that happens, and user is the person who uses the program. Now you will choose the event that lets the user to start the program. Click on yellow dot that says event. What event blocks can you see? What does each one say? So boys, here is the blocks. We are going to go in the yellow block, this events, and we are going to click it. And here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 event blocks. First one is when green flag clicked, when space key pressed, when this sprite clicked, when backdrop switches to backdrop 1, when loudness equals 10. So these are the event blocks. So when you are writing a program, what you are going to do, first of all, you are going to go in yellow dots that called events and choose one of the blocks from here. You can choose any block according to the requirement of your program. To choose an event, drag the block to the program area, find the event block that says when this sprite clicked. Fit the program block onto the event block. Now the event will start the program. Change color. So yesterday in the last previous lesson, we have learned two blocks that were motion block and sound block. Today we are going to learn event block and change color, looks. Now you will make the sprite change color. Click on the purple dot that says looks. These command blocks change the look of the sprite. Find the block that says change color effect by. Drag this block to the sprite area and add it to the program. Here it is. Go in the looks. Next backdrop, change size by 10, set size by 200%, change colors affected by 25%. By 25. So we are going to use this in our program. Okay, let's see what is our activity that we are going to do. Change your program, add the event block which says when this sprite clicked, add the looks block which changes the color to the sprite. Click the sprite to make it move, save the file. So here are, in the previous lesson, we have used two blocks. So now we are going to add two more blocks to our program. So if you are using your laptops, open your laptops with the website Scratch. To open the Scratch program, we are going to go on the website called scratchmit.edu. you will click in Start Creating. Click on Start Creating to open the website to create a program. So here we have, first of all, we are going to choose a new sprite. So I'm going to delete this sprite and I'm going here to bring new sprite. Which one should I use? Okay, I'm using Jobo. And I'm going in, first I'm going in motion and sound block. So when we are going to go in motion, go to random position, bring this block, and then go in the sound to bring play sound pop up. Is this one? You can see. No, start sound pop. Okay. Here it is. So it's not running. It's not doing anything. We are going to go in events when the sprite clicked. If you can hear the sound, now I'm going in looks to change the costume by 25%, 25. Change color effect by 25. This block. You see that, look, the color of the sprite is changing when I'm clicking on the sprite. Yes, and you can choose the backdrop also. Anyone you like, because there is no specification in the program. So I'm going to use moon so that Job can be seen clearly into the moon.